Is it delicious? You like it? What is it? What happened? It's called biscotti. Can you say, thank you, Mr. Brent? Yeah, you can? Can you say, thank you, Mr. Brent? Oh, very good. How's yours?
Great.
Great. You love it? Yeah, it's like your favorite thing ever, huh? Yeah. On the scale of great things, how great is that?
Second best.
Really? Only compared to what? What's number one?
Chocolate one.
Oh, the chocolate one. Oh, hello. How you doing there? Oh, you're good. All right, cool. I'm not taking a picture. This is video. Yeah. Yeah. No, I kind of spoiled it for you, but yeah. No, I'm not.
Just say hi.
No, hi.
Say thank you.
Oh, very good. Okay. It's delicious. You love it, huh?
Say good.
You love it?
Oh, good. You're welcome.
Awesome. All right.
I think you just said horrible.
No, I don't think so.
Thank you 3 times.